Check out these 3D live wallpapers. They're super cool and they give us such a unique look to your Android phone. It's not like anything you've ever seen. As you can see, the wallpapers actually reflect based on your movement. So if you move your phone to the right, the wallpaper will reflect to that, and if you move it to the left, it will also reflect to that. And that's because it's 3D. There's a lot of different kinds and different colors to it. In today's video, I'll make sure to show you everything step by step, and as you can see, it makes your phone look very cool. This is also a diamond chip illusion, and this is actually my favorite, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hey everyone, it's Ian back with you with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install and apply 3D wallpapers on any Android phone. The steps are really easy. All I'm going to ask you to do is to watch the steps, and if you're enjoying the video, make sure to subscribe and also to like the video. It will largely help me out and it will give me motivation to make more videos similar to this. Alright, going back to the tutorial, I'm going to show you everything step by step. The steps are going to be shown to you on the right hand side of the screen in case I'm too fast, but basically all you need to do is go to the Play Store or go to the link in the description to install an application called Wave Live 3D Wallpaper. Okay, and after that you're going to install that application. I'm going to give you a redemption code or a redeem code that will give you 10,000 gems. The redemption code is IANXWAVE. If you redeem that, you will have 10,000 gems and you can install or download as much as wallpapers as the gems give you, which is really cool. Alright, so the first 100 people will get those, so make sure to redeem them very quickly and make sure to comment below so I know who redeemed it or I know who didn't. So basically the steps are really easy. You're going to choose the wallpaper that you want, and after that you're gonna click or tap on unlock, and then you're gonna tap on apply. It's gonna ask you if you want to apply it for the home screen or the lock screen or both. I'm going to choose it for both for the sake of clarity, and by the way, I'm gonna do these steps a few more times, so don't worry, you don't need to rush anything, just make sure to stay tuned. So I'm gonna apply it for both the home screen and the lock screen, and if I go back to the home screen, you will see that the wallpaper has changed, and as you can see, when I move the phone into the angles of left and right, you will see the wallpaper moving with it, which is really cool. It makes you think that this engine that you see is actually in the phone, but in fact it's just a 3D wallpaper. And it also works on the lock screen and the home screen, and you can also choose it just for either. You don't need to choose it for both. So let's go back to the application and let's choose another wallpaper. Like I said, the link for this application is going to be in the description box. So let's choose this cylinder wallpaper or this cylinder 3D wallpaper. The steps are basically the same. You're going to click on unlock. It's going to start downloading. Once the download is complete, tap on the X bar to close that, and then tap on apply. Choose where you want to apply the wallpaper. Do you want it for the home screen or do you want it for the lock screen or both? Once you do that, you will see this new wallpaper on your screen. Personally, this is my favorite. It has a very nice vibe to it. It's red and black, which are two of my favorite colors. And the fun fact about it is that just like the other 3D wallpapers, it moves when you move it to different angles. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a try, the third try, so everything is crystal clear, and after that I'll show you how to remove them in case you just want to disable them or just want to go back to your default wallpaper. So just do it one more time so that it's also clear to you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and install another wallpaper which is 3D, and it has an effect when you actually scroll on the wallpaper itself. So the steps for the third time, they're the same. You're just going to press on unlock, and then you're going to press on apply. You're going to choose the effect that you want. You can actually choose an effect on some of the wallpapers, in which when you touch the screen, there's a nice effect that shows where you tap. So I'm going to set the wallpaper for both the home screen and the lock screen, and now if I scroll left and right, you will see this very nice effect that you don't usually see on wallpapers, or even not most of the 3D wallpapers of nowadays as well. So this is basically it. It gives your phone a nice look. It gives your phone a different look that you don't usually see on new Android phones, and it makes it look very cool in my opinion. And by the way, if there's any questions or any significant wallpapers that you want me to try, just make sure to comment below so I can do that for the next video. And like I said, if you want to disable this feature or if you want to disable this wallpaper, it's very easy. All you need to do is go back to the settings. You can uninstall the application from your Play Store, and you can also just change it from the settings. In case you want to disable that, you just go to your settings and then you click on wallpaper, and then after that you choose on wallpapers, and then you can choose the wallpaper that you want. or the stock wallpapers that are on your phone, in case you just want to change them. But personally, I wouldn't do this because, like I showed you, the phone looked much cooler when the 3D wallpaper was taking effect on the home screen, and there you go. Let me know if you have any issues. Make sure to comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you out.